Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Today the first episode of the fourth and last season of the Belgium travel vlog series. Today we are here at my favorite place on the Belgian coast, Knokke Heist. Knokke Heist is located in the province of West Flanders. It is the northernmost town on the Belgian coast and is located on the border with the Netherlands. This seaside resort is one of the most elegant places in Belgium and is known as exclusive because of its location by the sea, the many apartments and villas by the sea, the casino, the golf course and the many fancy cars. Time to show you guys what there is to see and what there is to do here in Knokke Heist. Let's explore. So the first stop of the day brings me to the Zwin nature reserve that stretches across Flanders and the Netherlands. It's also sometimes called the International Airport for Birds. The Zwin is a unique nature reserve with a special wealth of plants and animals. The plane lives to the rhythm of the tide and the different seasons. Every season and every day is different here.
We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above. Whatever comes, we will be just fine. If I am yours and you are mine.
Alsjeblieft, veel plezier nog. Gaan we laten gaan? Wait.
So the first part of the walking trail is through the freshwater area, and after a 10-15 minute walk you find the walking trail of the saltwater area. So with this pump you can use water of the Zwin to clean your shoes. Wait, I will do this one.
Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be with me. Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. We can go any place that we want to. I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy. Hold me close, I want to feel your love. Together we are free. Just be with me. Just be with me. Just be.
So we are now going to eat something at the beach. There's a very nice beach bar here in Knokke Heist called Surfers Paradise. So here we are. So that was a very cozy beach bar. So now let's go back to the car and drive around for a bit through Knokke Heist. So really beautiful Knokke Heist with the white houses. So Knokke Heist used to be separated, two different municipalities. You have Knokke and you have Heist. Now it's together as one municipality. But before we are going to the more popular area of Knokke Heist, which is Knokke, with the Lippenslaan, the main shopping street, we are going to visit Heist. Heist is a much more relaxed place than Knokke. My grandparents used to have an apartment there right next to the sea, so I have a lot of childhood memories there, and we have a little stroll there. Here we have the train station of Heist. So I just parked my car here in Heist, and I will walk through the park towards the beach. So here you can play tennis, and right behind the White House there's also a mini golf course. It's a beautiful mix of the dunes and the greenery of the park. And this playground used to be a large swimming pool, outdoor swimming pool, where me and my brother used to swim a lot. But yeah, time is not standing still, and things change. So when I was a kid, every time we went for dinner, we stopped here with my grandmother to light on a candle. And here, second building, second floor on the right, that was the apartment of my grandparents. And there you see the port of Zeebrugge. And here you have the Heldeplein, or Hero Square, the central square of Heist. And there you had the restaurant, the Leren Zetelkes, where we used to eat almost every evening. Now let's go to Knokke, the last part of this vlog, the main shopping street and the promenade on the beach. Here you have the beautiful town hall of Knokke. And here you have Albert Square. Now it's kind of ugly, but in the winter the Christmas market is here. So it's 6:30, most of the shops are closed now, but I'm not here in Knokke to shop. But actually the only thing I wanted to buy was something from Moeder Babelut. It's a candy shop. Here you have it. If you walk from the train station of Knokke Heist to the Lippeslaan, you just have to follow this long lane and you arrive at the beach. So we're here at the end of the Lippeslaan. They have lots of beach cabins. Check how beautiful the Belgian coast can be. So guys, that's it here in Knokke Heist. It was a fun day. Definitely my favorite place here on the Belgian coast. Also because I have a lot of childhood memories here. And it brought up some nostalgic feelings. But I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, LAWCATION. And I will see you again in another location. Ciao!
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.